Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Skype Windows 11. To get started, enter Skype in the search box. You are going to click on the App Settings option. In the displayed window, you are going to go to the bottom and click on Uninstall. Click again on Uninstall to confirm this action. If you want to install Skype again, open the Windows Store, search Skype. You are going to click on the application and then click Install. Here you will wait for Skype to be installed on the system. Click on Open and you will have access to the application. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.